Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. It is both a privilege and a pleasure to be here today at the inauguration of this year's prestigious 12th Asian Tourism Fair. I wish to begin by expressing my sincere appreciation to Bangladesh Parjatan Corporation for their vision and dedication in organizing this important platform for tourism across Asia. The Maldives is proud to be participating this year through the close collaboration between the High Commission and the Visit Maldives Corporation. Bangladesh and the Maldives share a special bond as members of the South Asian family, as close neighbors and a member and partners in tourism development. I am pleased to note that Bangladesh has emerged as the 15th largest source market for tourist arrivals to the Maldives. Even more encouraging is the fact that until the end of July this year, 18,776 Bangladeshi tourists travel to the Maldives. Behind each of these numbers lies a personal story, a connection forged and a memory created. This growing trend fills us with great optimism about the future of our partnership. To sustain and build upon this momentum, the Maldives continues to welcome Bangladeshi travelers with open arms. We provide visa on arrival facilities for Bangladeshi citizens, ensuring that travel to our islands is convenient and accessible. Our commitment is to make every journey in the Maldives safe, enriching, and memorable, showcasing the natural beauty, cultural richness, and warm hospitality that define the Maldives. Distinguished guests, this fair provides a perfect opportunity for our tourism industries to learn from each other, to explore synergies, and to create meaningful connections to showcase the best of our region. There is immense potential for collaboration in areas of hospitality training, sustainable tourism practices, aviation connectivity, which are all essential to the growth of our tourism sectors. I invite all of you to visit the Maldives Pavilion, where our representatives are ready to engage with you, answer your questions, and discuss potential partnerships. We are eager to showcase the many experiences of the sunny side of life and to work with our Bangladeshi partners to create new opportunities for travelers from this dynamic, vibrant country. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my sincere appreciation to Bangladesh Parjatan Corporation once again and the Bangladesh Tourism Board for their support and cooperation, and a very special thanks to Mr. Mohiuddin Helal, Chairman of the Asian Tourism Fair, for his dedication in making this event a resounding success. I wish the Asian Tourism Fair every success. May this event inspire new ideas, foster meaningful connections, and pave the way for a bright future for tourism in Asia. The Maldives looks forward to welcoming more visitors from Bangladesh and to working closely with all stakeholders to promote sustainable and inclusive growth. Thank you.